This is the fall 2026 GQ box unboxing. I know I don't look like somebody that would do the GQ box, but I am, and I have bought them since probably 2021, I think is when I started doing them. I've done them off and on there for a while. I did them like every quarter, but this is the first one I've done this year, and I didn't mean to actually. It came out of my account, and I thought that I had canceled it, and yeah, here we are. This is actually probably one of the bigger ones I've received. Normally they're not this big, but this is actually a pretty big box. I kind of saw what was in it. I don't know everything that's in it, but we will go from there. So normally you get a booklet that tells you what's in it, right? And we don't want to look at that because it's a surprise. This is loaded. So you always have these little gift party type things for like Factor and all that other crap. I don't care about any of this stuff. Wine Club, All Citizens. Actually, I like All Citizens. I like their boxer briefs. They fit really well. I like those. I might use that. All right. Blossom Essentials Hydration Oil. Okay, now actually we're going to keep this booklet here because it's going to tell us how much our stuff is valued, right? So it tells you the manufacturer value or the MRSP on this. So usually why I buy these is usually the value for what you get is actually really good compared to like these boxes are $60 shipped and you end up getting like $300 or $400 worth of value. I've resold stuff out of these all the time and got my money back. Big time. So yeah, so usually these type of things right here are actually kind of expensive, so we'll put that to the side and let's see what's next. There's a lot in this box, I'll tell you that. This one is the Earth Harbor Obscura Night Repair Concentrate, black seaweed, and I don't even know what that word is. So yeah, another treatment. I don't know, do I need a lot of treatments on my face? I think I have pretty good skin other than rosacea. I have, my face is always red. But other than that, I don't have a whole lot of acne. I don't have any like pitting or anything like that. It's just my face is just red. You know? Where's this one? Oh, what is this? Honest John Bitters. Is this alcohol? You have to tell me in the comments. Is alcohol bitters? Yeah, it's alcohol. What is this one? Able Skincare Pro Dynamic Tightening and Retexturing Facial Serum. Some more face cream. I've got 3 things of face cream. They must think that my face sucks. All right, what is this one? Aqua Bomb Frozen Cream. Immediate skin cooling effect. Belif and truth. So facial cooling, maybe that's for rosacea. That might be something I would be interested in. There's a lot in this box, wow. Sleek DORCO razor. Now I'm not somebody who clean shaves. Now I have a straight razor that I do use very seldomly, not very often. But I don't clean shave. I don't think I've ever been clean shaven, not in a long time anyways. I like to keep some type of facial hair because if not I look creepy. At least that's what my wife says. My wife says I look really creepy without facial hair, and I'm like, well thank you, because that's what my real face looks like. But a DORCO, I'll probably sell that. I don't know how much is that, 10, 15 bucks? There's a big one here. Salt and Stone Black Rose and Oud Body Mist. Hey, that's a full body, or a full bottle of cologne. Wow, that's nice. Look at that one. That's glass. Now, I like when they do the cologne because I am a cologne wearer and I do love cologne. So, I know they had one a while back. They had a full body of Work cologne. It's called Work that I really liked. And then another one was called Black and something. I can't remember what it was, what it was, but it was really nice as well. Here's this. What is this here? Lot 101 Nocturne Premium Reed Diffuser. Okay, now I'm somebody also who likes incenses. I love making the house smell good, and I like lots of smells. All right, that's a really nice bottle. That's glass too. So I guess you're gonna pop those in there, boop, boop, like that. That's nice. Hey, this is a really, I think this is I know I saw some people were complaining about this box online, but I think you're getting a really nice value with this box, especially for this month. And here's the main item for the month. It's a set of whiskey glasses. Oh, look at those. Get 2 of these. Look at this. Those are nice. Those are glass. Look at those. Those are nice. I am not somebody who drinks a lot of alcohol. I'm not somebody who drinks any whiskey. I can't tell you the last time I had any alcohol, but I like the aesthetic. And I do have a pair of whiskey glasses over on the counter. But these are really nice. Look at those. Wow, okay. Thank you, GQ Box. I think the box those came in look really nice too. Look at that. Those are probably what, 30, 40 bucks, right? I know that stuff's not cheap. All right, so let's go over what we got and how much everything cost. There's a lot in this box. This is probably, you know what, from everything that I've done from GQ Box, this is probably the box that has had the most stuff. Now, I know also if you're a brand new member to GQ Box, you get more stuff. So like, if you were a brand new member this month, you got a set of headphones, you got a set of another skin cream and maybe some more cologne or something. But yeah, so you get more stuff if you're a brand new member. And a lot of times, maybe if you cancel your membership and you start as a new member, or if you use a different card, or if you use a different email, you might get doubles. Don't do that. Okay, so this one's done a little differently. This booklet used to, like, you open it up, it had just everything on one page. And this is gonna go page by page. Double old-fashioned glasses by Gezellig Luxury Gift and Home. Retail value $39.99. Okay. So keep that in mind. That's 40 bucks. I paid $60 for the box. Black Rose and Oud Body Mist. Where's that one at? Is this one here? Nope, that's not it. Yeah, it is. $45. That right there, that made our box back plus some. Lot number 101, Nocturne Reed Diffuser, $48. And that's how much, you could go to their website and that's how much they're selling these for. $48. So how much are we at now? That's like 120 bucks already. Orange Bitters, 18 bucks. So like that's 140 roughly. Able Skincare, $94. Now I know Able Skincare is expensive because I have used them in the past. $94. That's a full bottle, $100 value. So when they were at $240, I think. 260 somewhere around there. Sleek Razor, 12 bucks, $11.50. Hydration oil from Blossom, $34. It should tell us here at the end how much everything is. Aqua Bomb Frozen Cream, $5.20. And the Obscura Night Repair Concentrate, $38. And yeah, so if you were a new member, you would have got some of these gifts here. In which these studio headphones right here, these came in a box, I think, last year. These are some of the best headphones I've ever gotten. They're the Studio, I think, C8s. The little speaker that we got years ago from Studio sucked. It wasn't any good. But these headphones are really good. They were noise canceling. But yeah, so that's everything I got in the GQ box for fall 2026. I think this was a great box. I know a lot of people were trashing it. Did not like the things that were in it. Some of the stuff that was repeats, I know this is, you get a razor almost every month, but there's a lot of people who do shave a lot because they go for, you know, work and stuff. And I know the GQ stuff is kind of geared towards guys who are like office workers or may shave just to keep up their appearance and things like that. So you would be going through razors quite often, and I do understand that. So not for me, but I can understand why somebody would need a new razor every quarter, right? So yeah, and I love the cologne there, and the diffuser and the glasses. Anyways, thank you, GQ. This was a great box. I liked pretty much everything that was in it. I will have to figure out what to do with all the skin cream stuff. Other than that, I did like the cologne, really nice. Diffuser and the glasses, I think it was a great overall value, right? This is a great value. And I like pretty much everything in it. I'm glad that they took the money out of my account, and I'm glad that I forgot to cancel. So yeah, maybe we'll review the next box come winter. When is that? That's going to be in October, I think, right? Is it every 3 months? October? So yeah, thanks for watching.